New video, same old Beomaster 1001. In this video I'm going to diagnose a wind blowing sound of an amplifier. It's kind of like a sound when you film outdoors and the wind blows to the microphone. If this was a tube amplifier, the tube itself could be quite common reason for that kind of sound, but in this case this is the transistor amplifier, so the sound is coming from the leaking transistor, so some current is leaking through the transistor when it's not supposed to. And I'm going to figure out which transistor it is without using any oscilloscopes or other fancy equipment, and it's actually quite simple. I'm going to swap transistors from the left channel to right and right to left, because blowing sound is currently coming only from the one channel. So for example, if I swap main transistors here, and if the blowing sound is moving to another channel after the swap, I can be quite sure that those transistors are causing the blowing sound. And in this case, this one is left channel, this one is right channel, so it's easy to figure out which channel is the problem. And by using the semantics, I can figure out that if the main transistors are fine, then I'm moving on to another transistors, and by studying the semantics I figure out that, for example, here and here are also some transistors which are related to all this. So this is basically main amplifier section for the left channel and the right channel, and everything else here inside is just radio input output related stuff. So I'm focusing these areas here, and I'm going to swap transistors as long as needed, and at some point the blowing sound is moving to another channel, and then I know that that transistor needs to be replaced. Swapping the transistors is easy. Only thing that needs attention is that when you're removing the old one, make sure that the new one fits in right orientation and the legs are going to the same holes as before. So of course the broken one was the last one I swapped. All the other transistors did nothing, but when I replaced that one from left to right, right to left, the blowing sound moved to another channel. So I'm going to buy new one, and I'm pretty sure that after that the amplifier is working fine.